Letters from God and His Christ, Volume 7. The Voice of the Almighty God. January 21st, 2010. From God the Father. A letter given to Timothy, for all those who have ears to hear. Timothy, hear my words, and receive of me, and receive also of my understanding, which I now share with you, according to your concerns, which shall be answered. I will, and it is done. I speak, and it is heard. Yea, my voice resounds in all the earth, yet few have ears to hear. Though my voice is made known, and is indeed heard in all the world, they still refuse to hear. As I speak to you, you hear and write, and then trumpet. So also is my voice carried on the four winds of heaven, broadcast in every corner, entering into every ear. Therefore, listen and have understanding. The day is upon you, when I shall gather up my sheep, and every lamb shall be taken, even those asleep in me shall be lifted up, and the first harvest shall be accomplished in an instant. I tell you the truth, though this trumpet has reached, in number, many 10,000s, even now according to these millions, you will have only reached a very few when compared with the whole of the population of the earth, before the first harvest has commenced and is finished. For I tell you a mystery which is now made known. I am the Lord, and my voice a consuming fire, the sound of which carries to the farthest reaches of the universe. Therefore, that which I speak to you has already gone out into the world, even to every ear. And that which I command you to trumpet is an echo of my words spoken to this generation. So those who have heard and receive my word, who heed my calling, may seek out its sound to be blessed in it, even as a further edification, a continual song drawing them to its source. Yet most refuse to hear, clasping their hands over their ears, rather embracing the world and its seductive song, which leads quickly down the wide path to destruction. To the dull of hearing and the wicked of heart, whose tongues testify to their own demise, whose ears are tuned to evil, their thoughts and musings contemptible. To them my letters and my word in the scriptures of truth become a stern warning, an unrelenting siren blowing continually on the wall, which ceases not from tormenting their corrupted souls. As fire on their skin, as sand in their eyes, as burning wax dripping into their ears. Therefore, Timothy, those who hear me will also hear you, and those who refuse me will also refuse you, and those who love me will also love you, and those who hate me will also hate you, and those who seek out this trumpet, loving its sound, will help you, and those who forbear will fight against you. And so I shall increase the sound of my voice 7 times, even as Jericho, until all things break, and all are broken, many broken unto death, ground to dust beneath the stone, which shall be placed in Zion. For the stone shall become the mountain, filling the whole world, while still others, my hidden treasure, my battered and bruised sheep, the wild of my flock, are broken, and come to rest solidly atop this same stone, the rock of my enduring promise. And so my word has went forth and is sounding in all the earth, resounding through my body by mouth and trumpet. For I am the Lord, I change not. As I am, so shall I be, and have always been, even from everlasting to everlasting. I am. Therefore, I have spoken it, and shall say it again before this perverse and wicked generation, though they can in no wise bear to hear it. I am come, the time is here, and behold, I, the Lord your God, will do nothing until I have revealed my plans to my servants, the prophets. And this I have done. Give me glory. Kiss the sun. For darkness is overhead, and great turmoil has come upon this generation, the likes of which no generation before has ever seen, nor shall any generation after. The day of the Lord. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth! Your God has come down to you in judgment, and for ruin, for calamity. I am come out of my sanctuary to destroy, until there is no sin left in the earth, until all things have bowed down before me to give me glory. And for those who kiss the Son, to them shall I be a God close at hand. Even they shall rest in my bosom. Yet to those who forsake me and rebel against me, to the cursing of my name and the Christ's, to them also shall I be a God close at hand, the God of vengeance and recompense, the God of judgment and justice. Yea, I shall be the God of horror and dreadful signs to them and their idols, the destroyer of all their temples, the one who reigns in Israel, who breaks apart all foundations, the King, the mighty and strong one, who smashes to pieces all they hold sacred. Yea, it shall be broken in pieces. The murderer of every god of the pagans and of the Gentiles, even to the God of the sons of Ishmael. Then will they know, I am the Lord, and there is no other, and none like me, the one true God, the only God, whose fury has come in his burning jealousy. Elohim, Yahuwah, also be in your only salvation and escape. Behold, you shall know me and see my face, Yahushua. Bow and give glory to my name. It is time. Return to me.